If you are searching for the ultimate DJ controller to elevate your performances in 2026, you are in the right place. Today, we will explore the best DJ controllers that deliver outstanding sound quality, intuitive controls, creative performance features, and reliable connectivity. Whether you perform at parties, weddings, clubs, or professional events, these top picks are designed to meet your needs. Do not forget to check out the links in the description. Now, let us dive into the list. The Roland DJ202 Compact DJ Controller is a feature-packed solution that brings professional performance tools into a compact and affordable design. Built for DJs who want creative flexibility without carrying bulky equipment, this controller delivers an impressive combination of sound quality, performance features, and portability. At the heart of the DJ202 is Roland's famous drum machine heritage. The built-in TR-808, TR-909, and TR-606 drum kits provide authentic electronic drum sounds that can be integrated directly into live performances. Combined with the onboard 16-step sequencer, DJs can create unique rhythms and beats on the fly, making every set more dynamic and engaging. The controller features large, low-latency platters that feel smooth and responsive during scratching, cueing, and track navigation. Whether performing simple transitions or advanced routines, the jog wheels offer precise control. Performance is further enhanced through 8 dedicated performance pads that support hot cue, loop, sampler, and sequencer functions for quick creative access. Serato DJ Lite integration makes the DJ202 easy to learn while still offering room for growth. The controller supports 4 deck mixing and is fully upgrade ready for Serato DJ Pro, allowing users to expand their capabilities as their skills develop. Music organization, looping, effects, and sampling are all handled with ease. Audio quality is another highlight. The built-in 24-bit and 48 kHz audio interface delivers clear, detailed sound, while the microphone input includes professional effects such as reverb, echo, gate, and high-pass filtering. Sound quality remains impressive, whether performing at home or at live events. With its rugged construction, lightweight frame, and simple USB connectivity, the Roland DJ202 offers exceptional portability and creative power, making it an excellent choice for modern DJs seeking professional features in a compact controller. The AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 Compact 2-channel DJ controller is a thoughtfully designed entry-level controller that makes learning the art of DJing simple, enjoyable, and accessible. Created for first-time users, it combines intelligent technology with a streamlined layout, helping beginners focus on creativity rather than technical complexity. The standout feature is the innovative Smart Fader system. Instead of manually adjusting multiple settings during transitions, the controller automatically balances BPM, volume, and bass levels as the crossfader moves. This allows even inexperienced users to create smooth and natural sounding mixes across different music genres. The result is a more enjoyable learning experience and faster progress toward confident performances. Another major advantage is its support for modern music streaming services. Through compatible software such as Rekordbox and Algorithm DJ, users can access tracks from Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, and other supported platforms. This means there is no need to spend hours building a local music library before starting to mix. Convenience is clearly one of the controller's strongest qualities. Portability is equally impressive. The DDJ FLX2 is one of AlphaTheta's lightest and most compact controllers, making it easy to carry to friends' houses, parties, or practice sessions. USB-C bus power support allows operation directly from a phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop computer, eliminating the need for a separate power supply. The flexible audio options further enhance usability. Users can play music through device speakers, connect external speakers through the 3.5mm output, or monitor tracks with headphones for accurate cueing. Portability and versatility make this controller ideal for modern lifestyles. Overall, the AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 offers exceptional user-friendliness, smart automation, and reliable performance, making it a fantastic starting point for anyone entering the world of DJing. The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is a well-engineered DJ controller that combines professional features with beginner-friendly operation. Designed for use with both Serato DJ and DJ UCD software, it provides an excellent platform for learning, practicing, and performing. Its solid construction and intuitive layout make it a dependable option for DJs seeking a balance between affordability and advanced functionality. A major strength of the Inpulse 500 is its large, touch-sensitive jog wheels. These jog wheels offer smooth control for scratching, pitch adjustments, and track navigation. Their responsive feel gives DJs the confidence to perform accurate movements during live sets. Whether practicing transitions or performing in front of an audience, the controller delivers a reliable experience. The unit includes 16 bright RGB performance pads that unlock a variety of creative possibilities. Users can trigger hot cues, loops, samples, and other performance functions with ease. Dedicated loop in and loop out controls further improve workflow and help DJs build seamless transitions. The filter and FX section allows users to shape and enhance their mixes, adding professional sounding effects to every performance. Creativity is strongly supported through these well-designed controls. Another advantage is the built-in audio interface and hardware mixer capability. This feature allows external audio devices to be connected directly, creating a more flexible setup for different performance environments. The controller adapts well to home studios, events, and small venues. One particularly thoughtful feature is the retractable and extendable feet. These raise the controller above the surface, helping protect it from accidental spills while improving operating comfort. Protection and practicality are clearly part of the design philosophy. Overall, the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 offers excellent performance, durable construction, and impressive versatility, making it a valuable controller for growing DJs. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX DJ controller is a feature-rich performance system created for DJs who want advanced control, creative flexibility, and an easy setup experience. With 4 deck control, professional mixing tools, and seamless Serato DJ Lite integration, this controller provides everything needed to practice, create, and perform impressive DJ sets. The highlight of this controller is its large 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels with built-in high-resolution color displays. These displays show essential information, including BPM, track position, pitch adjustment, and beat timing, allowing DJs to make accurate adjustments while performing. The responsive jog wheels also provide excellent control for scratching and precise track manipulation. The Mixtrack Platinum FX includes a complete mixer section featuring a 3-band EQ, filter controls, channel faders, and a crossfader. These controls allow smooth transitions and detailed sound shaping during every mix. Mixing performance is further improved by 8 performance pads on each deck, giving instant access to hot cues, loops, samples, and creative effects. The controller also includes 6 quick launch effects with dual paddle triggers, allowing DJs to add energy and personality to their performances. The built-in 24-bit audio interface provides high-quality sound, while USB connectivity makes connection to Mac and Windows computers simple and convenient. Music options are expanded through Serato DJ Lite compatibility with supported streaming services, giving users access to millions of songs from popular platforms. Additional connections include microphone input, headphone output, and RCA outputs for speakers and other DJ equipment. With its combination of professional features, visual feedback, and flexible connectivity, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX offers outstanding value, creativity, and performance power. It is an excellent choice for DJs who want a complete controller that can grow with their skills. The Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 2-channel DJ controller is a versatile and beginner-focused controller that combines professional features with an easy learning experience. Designed for new DJs and those looking to improve their skills, it offers a familiar Pioneer DJ style layout, advanced automation tools, and flexible connectivity for different performance setups. A key highlight of the DDJ FLX4 is its smart fader function. This feature automatically manages volume, bass, and BPM adjustments when moving the crossfader, helping users create smooth transitions between tracks without needing expert beat matching skills. It allows beginners to quickly understand mixing techniques while still providing useful tools for experienced users. The controller features 2-channel and 2-deck control along with 16 performance pads. These pads provide instant access to hot cues, pad effects, beat jump, and sampler modes, giving DJs the ability to add creative elements during performances. Creative control is further improved with Smart CFX, which makes applying professional effects simple and effective. The DDJ FLX4 is built for modern DJ workflows with support for streaming and live content creation. Users can mix tracks from supported services such as Apple Music, Tidal, and Beatport through compatible software. The built-in sound card allows direct speaker connection, while USB and Bluetooth connectivity provide convenient compatibility with computers and mobile devices. Its lightweight and portable construction makes transportation easy, allowing DJs to practice or perform in different locations. The microphone input and live stream support also expand its usefulness for online performances, broadcasts, and hosting events. Overall, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 provides outstanding flexibility, intuitive controls, and professional-inspired features in a compact package. It is an ideal controller for anyone starting their DJ journey or looking for a reliable upgrade. Thank you for watching our countdown of the best DJ controllers in 2026. From beginner-friendly options to professional performance machines, each controller on this list offers unique features to enhance your mixing experience. We would love to hear which model you think deserves the top spot. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and buying guides.